Namaste. Welcome all of you. Today we are doing worksheet number 20 of class 9 mathematics. In last worksheet we have learned about the angles and lines. Now थोड़ा और आगे पढ़ते हैं lines and angles के बारे में. In figures, line AB and CD intersect at point O. At the point of intersection of two lines, two pairs of vertically opposite angles are formed. These angles are opposite to each other and are also equal to each other. Okay, let's see this on another page in large way. One line, remember this is line segment until we put the arrow mark on both hands. Another line, these lines intersecting at this point which is called whatever O, B, आप कुछ भी कह सकते हैं. Now AB are the line segment, but if we put the arrow mark, then we can, these are the lines. This is angle. We are talking about vertically opposite angle, means this AOC must be equal to BOD. These are vertically opposite angles. And let it be 1 and 2. This is BOC, angle BOC, and this angle AOD. These are also equal to each other. These are also vertical opposite angles. 3 and 4. We can name this. And now AB and CD are lines. Otherwise, इससे पहले ये line segment थी. Remember it. So in this question, we have already seen these are the vertical opposite angle. Okay. And here 1 is equal to 2 and 3 is equal to 4. Now in second figure, lines M and N are intersected by line L, two different points. Then this line is called transversal line. 1, 2, 3, 4. There are some small figures. You are not easy to see. Therefore, we can mark this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's see on Broadway. One line, second line. Third line is called transversal, which intersect these two lines at two different points. This is transversal lines. These are angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Naming these number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. M and N are two lines, any two lines, and L is the transversal. 1, 2. Angles are outside from this line. 7, 8 also outside. Therefore, these are called the exterior angle. बाह्य कोण बोलते हैं. Exterior angle जो हम यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, exterior angle. And 3, 4, 5, 6, which are in the interior between two lines. Therefore, these are called interior angles. Exterior angle and interior angles. Next is, this is the transversal, already told, and vertical opposite angles are there. Corresponding angles, what are the corresponding angles? If lines are parallel or not parallel, whatever, these relationship between these angles and naming some angle, there is corresponding angle, alternate angle. So what are corresponding and what are alternate? Corresponding angles, when two lines are intersected by a transversal line, then angles in matching corner are called corresponding angle. Means, okay, let's see. Two lines and one is transversal. These lines may or may not be parallel. One, this angle and this angle. Both angles are on the left side and upwards on these two blue lines. These are the corresponding situations. Therefore, these angles are corresponding angles 1 and 5. Again, हिंदी में संगत कोणों के युग्म बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में बोलते हैं pair of corresponding angles. Okay. The next angle is 2 and 6. This is also corresponding angle. 3 and this 7, also corresponding angle. 4 and 8, also corresponding angle. So these are the pairs of corresponding angles. Now we can put the answer here. The corresponding angle of 3 is 7. Therefore 3 must be equal to 7. Angle का sign लगाएं. Corresponding angle of 2 is 6. Angle 2 must be equal to angle 6. Curve. When lines are parallel. So if lines are parallel, then pair of corresponding angles are equal. If lines are not parallel, then these are not equal. Then only names are there if these are corresponding angles. But if two lines which are given parallel to each other, then corresponding angles must be equal to each other. Therefore, angle 4 must be equal to angle 8. Okay. Now, next is alternate angles. When two lines are intersected by a transversal line, then two non-adjacent angles which are on same part, either interior or exterior, on opposite side of the transversal lines are called alternate angles. Don't get it? Okay, let's see. M and N are two lines. L is the transversal. 1 and 5, 2 and 6, 4 and 8, 3 and 7, these are the pairs of corresponding angles. English में लिखें. Alternate interior angles are, just see, 3 and 5. 3 and 5 are the angles. One is left side and second is on the right side. And these are between these M and N lines. It means in the interior, the alternate interior. ऐसा अपोजिट साइड में होने पर आप इसे बोलते हैं अल्टरनेट इंटीरियर एंगल. 4 and 6 also alternate interior angles. If lines are parallel, then these angles are equal to each other. If lines are parallel, this is the condition. Alternate exterior angles means 1 and 7 in the exterior. Alternate, one is on the left hand side, second is on the right hand side, but in exterior of the lines. 2 and 8 is also the exterior angle. Then we can put here 4 is equal to 6, therefore 3 is equal to 5. 3 and 5 are the alternate interior angles. And 1 and 7 also alternate exterior angles. Therefore 1 is equal to 7 and 2 is equal to 8. We can put it 8. And this is the sign of angles must be there. Now for some question, practice. In figure 4, if AB parallel to CD, then find the value of X and Y. AB parallel to CD, this line AB parallel to CD, this is the transversal. Then see, there one or more method may be there. First method, we can put X is equal to Y. Why? Because AB and CD are parallel and this third transversal line intersects these 2 points, where X in left side, Y on right side, and interior in the AB and CD. These are the alternate interior angles. और अभी हमने सीखा, if lines are parallel, then alternate interior angles are equal to each other. Therefore, X must be equal to Y. Again, CD and these transversal lines are two straight lines. Then we can see these are the vertically opposite angles. Therefore, Y must be equal to 130. This is Y must be equal to 130 and X is equal to Y. Therefore, X is also 130 and region is vertically opposite angle for Y is equal to 130 and the region behind X is equal to Y, alternate interior angles. So, therefore, X must be equal to 130 degrees. In next question, AB parallel to CD again. Now see, this is the transversal. AB and CD parallel, this is transversal. Then 50 and X are alternate interior angles, 50 and X, which is interior in the AB and CD. Therefore, alternate interior angles, 50 must be equal to X. X is equal to 50 degrees. Region is alternate interior angles. Again, This line also transversal. AB and CD is parallel. Therefore, this angle 50 plus y, this is 50 plus y, must be equal to this angle, this is 127 degree. Therefore, we can write 50 plus y is equal to 127 degree, and we can find y after transposing the 50, 70555.7, 77. And don't forget put the mark of degree, otherwise you will lose marks. Okay, it's very simple. Now stay healthy, stay happy. See you next time on worksheet 21. Bye bye.